Hello children. In this video we will discuss about EVS chapter 5. The name of the chapter is My Pets and Their Homes. So at first let's discuss what are the important topics of this chapter. They are: why do pet animals need home? And names of animal homes, and how to take care of pet animals. We will discuss about this topic. Now, at first we have to know what is a pet animal. A pet is an animal that we keep at our home to give us company. Now let's read together the chapter. I have a pet dog named Bosky. What? Bosky. Bosky. When I return home from school, Bosky runs to me and wags her tail. She is my best friend. We all love and take care of her. Now, students, have a look to this yellow color dressed boy. He has a pet dog named Bosky, and when he returns home from school, Bosky wags her tail. Students, when dog gets very excited and happy, they wags their tail. Wags means rapid movement of tail from side to side. My friends also love to keep different pet animals. Students, we can keep different types of animals as our pet. His friend Alicia has a green parrot. Okay? His other friends like Shubho has a pet cat, and Firoza has colorful fishes in an aquarium. Okay? As fish is a water animal, it cannot survive outside the water. That's why we keep fishes in an aquarium. Now, we will discuss about animals and their homes. All animals need a home to live in. They need to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, other animals, and sometimes humans. Some humans catch them and kill for their flesh. Flesh means meat or skin. Some keep them in a circus to make money. Now, tell me, why do we need home? To protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, dust, wind, insect bites, etc. Just like us, animals also need home to live in and to protect themselves from heat, cold, rain, other animals, and sometimes from humans. Okay? So, let's see different types of animals home where we keep them as our pet or domestic animal. Now children, tell me, where do we keep our dog? In a kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. Where do we keep a horse? In a stable. Horse lives in a stable. Where do we keep fishes? In an aquarium, as they cannot survive without water. Okay. Cow lives in a shade. Pig lives in a sty. Hen lives in a coop. Okay. So where do cow lives? In a shed. Pig in a sty. And we keep hen in a coop. Okay. Now we will discuss about natural homes of animals. What? Natural homes of animals. Where they live naturally. Natural home means where the animal lives naturally. Natural home of fishes is water body like pond, river, lake, sea, etc. Now tell me, where does tortoise live? They can live in both on land and in water. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Lion lives in a den. Okay? Where does monkey live? Monkey lives on trees and bees lives in a hive. Now we will discuss how to take care of our pet animals. Look at the pictures. We must provide our pet animal good food and clean water to drink. We should give them bath regularly. We should also clean their homes regularly. Will you be comfortable in a dirty, smelly house? No, right? So, their houses should be kept clean. When a pet animal falls sick, we should take them to an animal doctor. Animal doctors are called veterinary doctor. What? Veterinary doctor. There are some wild animals. Wild animals means animals who lives in jungle. Okay. So sometimes wild animals can be trained and kept as pet animals for different purpose like carrying our heavy loads or to keep in circus show for fun activities, etc. like elephant, monkey, bear, cheetah, snakes, etc. So students, we should not beat our pet animals. We should love them. We should take care of them. The more we show love and take care of them, the more they love us back. Isn't it? So that's all for this chapter. Now what you have to do, you have to watch the video at least 2 times. Okay? We will discuss this chapter again in our next class. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Take care.